Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to convert and reduce your video size using a program called WinX HD Video Converter. So we have it installed on this computer here. So we'll just open it up. Okay, so you have your main screen here where you could drag and drop your videos or import them into there. So what we're going to do, we have this GoPro video here. Let's look at the properties. So it's 3.7 gigabytes, so it's a big video file. It's recorded in 2.7K, so if we also go to the properties, go to the details, you can see it's 2704 by 1520, which is 2.7K, which is less than 4K, obviously. So we'll just drag it in here. And it's going to want you to pick a category for your output. It has your recently used profiles, general profiles. You can see there's all kinds of stuff to choose from. You could upgrade it to 4K, which I'm not a really big fan of because you can't really make things look better than they are, but it's a way to get into a 4K format if it wasn't 4K to begin with. So here's 2K, which is pretty much what it is now, MP4 video, and then you could adjust the conversion rate from low quality to high quality, and that'll also determine how long it takes. So right now it's in the middle to keep the resolution, the original. MOV, iPhone, iPad, Android, MPEG, WebM. You can convert just the audio to music. Then you have all these device profiles for Apple, Android, Microsoft device, YouTube video, your MP4, MPEG-4, FLV, and you could adjust the settings there. Facebook video, and so on. General web video, WMV, general PC videos. So all these different formats here. And of course, for each one, you could adjust the quality and the file size. You got your Mac general videos, MOV, TV options, DVD profiles, HD video options. Okay, so once you pick your video, so let's say we're going to go to the general profiles, do the recommended, and let's say we want to reduce the size. What did I say it was? From 3.7 to something smaller. So we could do this, and let's say we want to go down to the low quality, and click OK. And then you could change the title. Just I'll show you why I named that in a second for the output file. So once you have everything done, you can change your settings here, and you have other options up here. And of course, to use the output folder, shut down the computer when conversion finishes, which obviously you don't want to do, most likely. Hardware accelerator options. You could play in the video from here too. So we'll just click on Run. So this will take some time here. So we'll pause the video while this is running and then be back. And we'll compare the file sizes. And then I'll show you some other samples that I did with this video afterwards. Okay, so the conversion's been completed here. It's going to open their website, of course. All right, so if we go to the folder that has the videos. So here's our low resolution. So remember, it's 3.7 gigs before. So now it's about 2 gigs. So it reduced to, a good amount, not huge, but well, almost in half, I guess you could say. So that's pretty good, especially for a file that large. And so I did a couple other conversions here. So here's WMV, didn't reduce it as much. For a YouTube video, I actually made it a little bigger because I kept the default resolution, same for this one too. And then I also did the 4K upgrade, and that tripled the size almost. So you can see that's a huge file. And like I said, I'm not a big fan of up converting because you can't really make a video look better than it is technically unless you did some fancy editing. So I can't really show you the difference because I'm recording at such a low resolution for YouTube. To play both versions, you're not going to be able to see any difference. So what I would do if I were you is I would give this program a shot. They got a free trial. I got the page here. So if you want to buy it, right now they're having a Christmas special, which is, not going to be here for long, depending when you watch this video. So regularly it's $29 for the first year for 1 year subscription for 3 PCs, or you could just get $40 for lifetime for the one computer. So that's, it's pretty cheap right there. So you could just download the demo, try it out, and if you like it, you could buy it, and then, take it from there. So I'll put a link in the description for that, and check it out for yourself and see if it works for you. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.